Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to fix the plugged-in not charging problem on your laptop, step by step and very easily. Step 1, check charger and cable first. Unplug your charger and check the cable carefully. If the wire is bent, loose, or damaged, charging may stop. Also try another wall socket. Step 2, restart your laptop. Sometimes it's just a temporary system bug. Shut down your laptop completely, wait 30 seconds, then turn it back on. Step 3, remove battery, if possible. If your laptop has a removable battery, unplug charger, remove battery, hold power button for 20 seconds, reconnect everything, and start again. Step 4, update battery driver. Press Windows plus X to Device Manager to Batteries. Right-click Microsoft ACPI Battery to uninstall. Device to restart laptop. Windows will reinstall the driver automatically. Step 5, check power settings. Go to Settings. Arrow system, arrow power and battery, and make sure battery limit or conservation mode is turned off. Step 6, reduce heat. Overheating can stop charging. Keep laptop on a flat surface and clean air vents. Step 7, BIOS update advanced. If the problem still exists, update your laptop BIOS from the manufacturer's official website. Bonus tip, if battery percentage stays the same even after all steps, your battery health may be weak and replacement might be needed. And that's it. Follow these steps and your laptop charging issue should be fixed. Thanks for listening.